Tired of complicated video converters that leave you frustrated? Today I will show you MiniTool Video Converter, a user-friendly solution designed to help you convert your videos to MP3 or to any other format with ease. The good thing about this amazing software is that it allows you to also batch convert videos. So you could simply add an entire folder of videos that you would like to convert, to MP3 or to any other format, in bulk. So it's all about just selecting the folder and it will add all your different videos. And from here, you could select or you could choose to convert the videos that you would like to convert into which format of your choice. All right. And you could also simply what? Batch convert. In other words, convert in bulk all your videos that you've imported from the folder. The good thing about this amazing software is that it also allows you to even record your screen. So for a bonus, I will show you how you could record your screen with this software. Greetings to you and welcome to MiniTool Tutorials. Today's special tutorial is actually sponsored by MiniTool, and I will show you how you could also, install this amazing software for free. If today is your first time on my channel, please consider subscribing and turning on the notification bell so you don't miss future interesting tutorials like this. Without much ado, let's head onto the desktop and I'll show you how to also install this software. All right, so I already have it installed here, and for the purpose of this tutorial, I would reinstall it, okay, for you to see how it works. All right. So you have the shortcut right here on the desktop. To install this amazing software, simply go to MiniTool. I'm coming. Just open your browser. You could use any browser of your choice. All right. I'm using Chrome, but you could use any browser of your choice. And then you go to videoconvert.minitool.com and hit enter. If I don't forget, I also make sure I leave the link within the description box of this video. So once you are here, just go ahead and hit download now to download the setup. All right. And right here on this page, you would see maybe other software suggested by MiniTool. I personally use MiniTool Movie Maker and even MiniTool PDF Editor. And I've already made videos on these two amazing software, and you could try them for free. Over here, I could click on, this button to access my downloads folder and locate the setup. I've already downloaded the setup several times, so I have it here. Just double click on the setup and then go ahead and click on yes. Click on install now. Since I already have it installed, they're asking me to uninstall the previously installed one, so I would say yes. And the installation is in process. This would take a few seconds to a minute. Perfect. Once the installation is done, it brings you to this page where you would see the different editions of the software. So with the free edition that you have just installed, you'll be able to convert between video and audio, okay, and also free record your screen. All right, you can record your screen for free. If you would like to, you know, upgrade, I would really recommend you do that. So you can now batch convert videos. If you have several videos, as I've shown you, I do have the license. So I'm able to batch convert videos. It means to convert multiple videos in bulk, right? Just at a go. And there are different subscription plans, whether you are interested in monthly, 6 months, or annually. I mean, going for the annual purchase would save you a lot of money, but for a start, I really recommend you purchase so you can have the full access to all the features. But for a start, you could just install the free version and convert your videos and record your screen. And once you enjoy it, I mean, you yourself would prefer purchasing the software, as I'm telling you. All right, so let me just minimize this, and I can just launch the software. So I click on start now. Perfect. Now there's going to be this live update. All right, you could watch it, you know, and then you can close it. Now, let's start with how do you just convert one single video? Okay, so you see that I have the license, the annual license. So I have the possibility to actually batch convert videos. But if you don't have the annual license, I'm sure you can still convert your videos. All right. So to convert a single video, make sure you click on the video convert tab and then click on add files here. Locate the file that you would like to convert. All right. You know, select the file in question, import it, and then you can convert it to MP3 or to any other format. By default, it converts your video to MP3, right? But you could click on this gear icon here, and you can convert it to any other format of your choice. Whether you are interested in converting your video to, let's say, MP4, if the video was not already in MP4, you're interested in converting it to MOV, AV, whatever, all these other files. Sometimes for compatibility's sake, maybe you want to convert your video for upload on maybe Instagram, Facebook, Vimeo, whatever, is very possible. And the good thing is that you can also increase the quality, up to 4K. All right. And once you are satisfied, assuming I wanted to convert to, let's say, MP3, for MP3, you click on audio and you have all the different types of audio files, whether you want MAV, M4A, WMA, and what have you. But usually people want to convert videos to MP3 most often. So if you want to convert to MP3, just select MP3 here, and normally you are good to go. You select the quality. You definitely gonna pick high quality, and you are good to go. Just go ahead and click on convert, and it will convert your video for you. All right. Once it's converted, you'll see your video right here, and you can play. I mean, your audio right here. You can play it. Oh, my player, the sound was off. Let me turn on the sound. All right. If you apply, all right. So it's as simple as that. You can locate your audio file by clicking on this folder icon here, and you locate it. You know. Now, if you are interested in batch converting videos, then you click on add folder here, and you select the folder in question. Click on select, and it will add all the videos within that particular folder. Now, once all the videos are added, you have the choice to convert them one by one. Maybe you want to convert selected videos. You don't want to convert everything for now. If you're interested in converting this one here, for instance, you can come and click on this gear icon and choose the format and the quality as I've shown you earlier on. Maybe you want to convert this video to MP4, or do you want to convert this video to MP3? Then you come to audio and pick what? MP3 or MAV or whatever that you want. Whatever video quality type, or do you want it for YouTube, Facebook, whatever, Vimeo, you can do that here. Also select the quality, full HD, up to even 4K. You do all of that, all right? Assuming I want to convert all these videos to MP3, then I click on audio, make sure I select what? MP3, high quality, and I'll go ahead and convert my videos. It's as simple as that. So this is just for this particular video. If I want to convert everything here, then the settings, I have to do it down here. So you see down here, convert all files to. Then you can edit here and say you want to convert all files to, let's say, audio. And you select MP3, choose high quality. And then you go ahead and click on what? Convert all, or to whatever format that you want. You make sure you do the settings, click on convert all, and it'll convert all the videos in batch or in bulk at a go for you. Perfect. Everything is converted very fast. You can, this is the conversion. So the conversion folder is empty. Once everything is converted, to locate your files, always click on converted, and you can click on this folder here to locate your files. All right. Simple. Now, the bonus tip that I said I was going to share with you is how to record your screen. To record your screen, just click on screen record here, and you have the choice to record your full screen or just a selected region of your screen. To record your full screen, just click on what? Full screen, and then you make sure that you have your audio system turned on, all right, and then your microphone also turned on. Then you just go ahead and hit what? Record. All right. Now, depending on the hotkey that you have set for yourself, by default, the hotkey is, I think, F6, but you can change it to anyone. I remember I use Z for the hotkey to start and stop recording. So once I click on Z, for instance, the recording stopped. You can do the same thing. You can click on record. If you want to record just a selected region of your screen, click on select region. It gives you this particular red box here, and then you can click here and drag it to wherever you want, the region, the part of the screen that you want to record. And then the good thing is that you can also enlarge it. All right, enlarge the region if you want, or reduce it as you like. Now, you can always click on this gear icon here and then select to which format you want. By default, it will record your screen in MP4. To have the highest quality, you make sure that you choose 50 frames per second. All right, for the frame rate, 50 FPS. Then the quality, you choose high. This way you'll be assured that you have full HD. That is 1920 by 1080. All right. Once you are satisfied, like I said, you can always edit your hotkeys here. So you see that I have, by default, is normally F6, but I change it to Z. You can put any letter of your choice so that when you press on that letter, the recording starts, and when you press on that letter, the recording stops. That makes things easier for you. Then you just press OK, and you go ahead and hit what? Record. Or you press your hotkey. In my case, I kept Z, so I could have pressed on Z. When I want to stop recording, I just press on Z again, and the recording stops. And that is it. You see that it's very simple to use, and I highly recommend that you install and enjoy MiniTool Video Converter, right? Please consider subscribing to my channel so you don't miss future interesting tutorials like this. like the video, share with your friends and family. And if you need any other tips, just drop them in the comment section and I would help you out. Bye for now.